Hello, traders. I want to welcome you guys to the second episode of the Forex Pipeline. It is my pleasure that I'm dropping this here. And pardon my manners, I am BFX, your humble host. So, a quick one. Let's go into the markets. As we all know, this is a new week and we have so many things in store for this new week. All right. So, last week I called USD JPY a short. Last week USD JPY was at this level. If you guys were following, it was at this level. In case you are just seeing this video and you haven't watched the first episode, do well to go back and watch the first episode. So initially USD JPY was here here's last week. So this whole week sale that came all the way right here, I called it out before the market opened last week, and hopefully the market sold all the way to this downside. And if now the market has reacted to this level, there's a high tendency that this market might break down all the way to this trend line and then maybe find support on this trend line, because this trend line has been a very significant trend line. So obviously, now let's go to lower time frame so that we'll see what had happened on USD JPY. So last week the market was all around, was kind of around here. I was just waiting patiently for this breakout and retest to happen before I jump in. And really the market broke out, retested that level. I jumped in on a sell all the way right here. Now for every pull, for every movement the market makes, we expect the market to pull back at least 50% of that move. So basically we'll be targeting this level. If you want to learn how I I plot all these levels and know where the market is going to reverse from, do well to message me for mentorship, personal mentorship. So basically, you just wait for the market to pull into this level. After the market has pulled into this level right now, we are expecting a pullback. Now, it's a fact that whenever a move happens, we should expect a pullback. That is just the characteristic of a trend, either an uptrend or a downtrend. As you can clearly see right here, the market dropped, pull back, dropped here, pull back here, dropped, pull back. So this is a characteristic of a downtrend. Now we should be expecting what the market to pull back again before it what continues the what original movement until it has until it has attained a level of what resistance, and then find some will I say momentum before it can actually reverse. So for USD JPY this week outlook, nothing much, just basically expecting the market to pull back into this level and then maybe give us some sell continuation all the way down here. And if you take out this level, we expect the market to what to drop all the way to this trend line. But if the market just fix out this level or weaks this level, then we should be expecting some reversal to the upside. And that is that about USD JPY. Let's go to USD Canadian dollar. So on USD Canadian dollar, I think as at last week I called USD CAD a buy, or I think yeah, the market hadn't broken out from this. Is it? Yes. So the market hadn't broken out from this level. Like I called it a buy. Let me just delete some of these purple lines here. These lines are, I actually drew them just for my personal use. So this one, let it not be like a confusion to you guys. So if I'm back testing, I just use them to plot out some levels that are very important. All these lines, as you can see, I'm being careful so that I won't just go and delete a line that is very very important. But then let me just, for the sake of this video, delete everything so that you guys can understand what I'm saying. So basically, um the market was, I think, here, if you watch the last episode, please do well to watch the last episode. When the market opened here last week, yes, which is last week, I called this market a buy all the way to this level, and the market has bought and it's trying to pull back now. I'm expecting a pullback After a pullback, then a continuation all the way to the upside. I'm expecting USD Canadian dollar to blast all the way towards 1.4 because it has ranged for the longest time. So I'm expecting it to blast all the way to 1.4. So all you want to be doing in USD card is buy, 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 buy. But the fact that I say buy does not mean you should just enter the market anyhow and begin to buy. No, there are some other confluences that you need to put in as a trader. So, but these are just weekly reviews and outlook. If you want to learn how I do all those things, then you can message me. So, GBP USD. Last week I told you guys that GBP USD was going to sell into the neckline of a what of um I was actually not interested in GBP USD because I don't actually just know, but it is not giving me the kind of price action I really like to see. So basically, GBP USD was kind of here last week. It opened here. I was expecting the market to pull back all the way to this. I'm coming. Let me go to 4 hour time frame. So basically, I was expecting this market to what to pull back. The market was kind of around this level, or will I say here? Okay, this is what? Yes, thank you. This is Monday or let's say Sunday. So I was expecting the market to pull back all the way here before it sells off, but it did not do that, but rather it just continued selling all the way to this level. But still, all the same. So what you just want to do is wait for this counter trend line break, wait for something like this, breakout, pull back, breakout, pullback, continuation, then the bullish move continues to the upside. Because why? This is on what, an inverse head and shoulder, and the market has come into the neckline of that inverse head and shoulder, and we should be expecting USD sorry should be expecting USD and GBP USD to pull all the way to this level right here. So that's our level of target for GBP USD. This red bar right here should be our next level target. But firstly, your first level target should be this 1.31444, and then your next level target should be 1.36264. So basically, that is that about GBP USD. I just want to do a quick recap. And for AUD USD, AUD USD has been selling greatly. It has been selling, 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 and selling. So basically, AUD USD, I would say, this is a breakout retest kind of vibe right here, but the market is still not giving us the bullish continuation we want to be seeing. You get, because overall we are bearish on this market, but right now it seems the market is trying to change its momentum. So let me just look at this guy and see what he's doing. If it is already ready to buy or it is still bearish. Yeah, let me see. Okay, basically AD USD just tapped into a weekly trend line right here. Yeah, what I can see, I don't know, like so. Yeah, so the first two touches. I'm coming. I want to draw this trend line nicely so that I will know if the market is still very much bullish, or sorry, if the market is still very much bearish, or it is bullish. So basically the market is still bearish. Yes, from what I can see right here, from what we can see, all these touches here, these are the first two touches, the first touch, the second touch, third touch, and this is the fourth touch. So long as we are not out of this trend line right here, we are technically bearish. So but if we break out of that trend line, then we can begin to call AD USD bullish to the upside. So but for now we are still bearish on AD USD, and the market is kind of in a range right here. I'm kind of, it has been moving sideways sideways right here. Yes, it has been moving sideways because I mean, look at it. It has just been in a range, like in a range, and this range is on a weekly time frame, not even on a smaller time frame. So as you can see, we're in a range, and we haven't broken out of that range. The market tapped into the high of the range, and it doesn't even tap into the high of the range. It just came close to the high of the range and shied off. So, but for lower time frame or day traders, this doesn't even look like a trend to me actually. So I personally, I don't trade AD USD. So, but for the sake of this video, I'm just checking it out for those that are interested in trading AD USD. Okay, let's just try and do some little analysis on AD USD. So we take our Fibonacci from swing low to swing high. Tend to find out the market is in what is in an area of value. So basically AD USD is in an area of value. So what are we expecting? What should we expect? Technically, normally we should expect something like this, but the fact that the market is bearish, I can't really say it's a 50-50 kind of thing. And please, whenever the market is on a 50-50 kind of situation, just do well to avoid the market at that time. Do well to avoid the market. So ADUSD is a no-go area for me actually at the moment. Let's go to ADJPY. So last week AUDJPY broke wicked out a trend line. It wicked, well, or will I say faked out this trend line right here. As you can see, it closed above this level. If we had closed below this level, I could have said, okay, we should expect a pullback and then a continuation like this. But the fact that the market closed above this level technically means that we are still bullish. Yes, because the market has not taken out this trend line right here. They don't take out this trend line. So the fact that this market broke this level, faked out traders right here, those that sell at this level right now, are eventually being stopped out, and it has closed above this level. Except if another red candle drop like this daily candle and closes below this level, that is when I'll now expect a what, a pullback like this, and then it was a continuation all the way to the downside. But the fact that the market is still above this level, we are technically bullish because we haven't taken out this trend line right here. From what you can clearly see, this trend line here is still very much valid. And as you can see, this daily this is a dodgy candle which signifies indecision. But then but then I'm still not saying this is a buy signal yet, because price action still has to happen. Like the market needs to chat with us before we can call it. We can say, okay, we are buying or we are selling. So but for the meantime, we are at a level where we can't actually take decisions right now. Yes. So but if the market begin to give some bullish momentum at this level from a lower time frame, you will be able to know. Then you can buy the market back to the upside, actually. But if it's continued giving us the sell, because the momentum here was crazy, this move right here was very much crazy. So at least, even if this market wants to break out of this trend line, because if I didn't break out this trend line, break out like this and close below it might maybe do something like this, maybe a pullback like this, then break and then pull back again, then continuation. This is a support level right here. So maybe this is what we should be expecting from this market actually. Yes. So but if this does not happen, then our bullish movement has what continued all the way to the upside. Then we'll just tag this as a retracement. We'll just tag this as a what? As a retracement. As a retracement. Yes. So I got about ADJPY. Let's go to USD CHF. Yeah, USD CHF. So basically, I'm expecting USD CHF to pull back um, into this level right here. It's my area of point of interest right here, and then sell into this level. This is what I'm expecting on ADCHF for the market to do something like this. But if the market does not give us um some sort of confirmations in this level and it keeps giving us buy momentum, then and if that buy momentum takes out this previous, like say previous high right here, then we'll now in turn be looking forward for buy trades back all the way up, because as you can clearly see right here, market has come out from a trend line, a daily trend line, and it is normal if the market buys all the way up. So but then we are still taking advantage of what the market is doing right here, and overall we are bearish. So overall we are bearish. Yeah, we are bearish overall, but then we are still in a range. We are bearish and still in a range, because this is a range of the monthly time frame. This is not a trending market, this is a ranging market. This is a ranging market, as you can see right here, over 2000 pip range. But then so in that 2000 pip you can still catch moves inside the 2000 pips. So it's crazy. It's crazy. Now the market has tapped into the base of this range, and what is expected normally, maybe we are expecting a pullback 50 feet into this level right here, then boom, a buy all the way back to the high of the range. So that's what you should be expecting on ADCHF. So that's all about ADCHF. So guys, do well if you enjoy content like this, educational content like this, do well to like, share, follow, and recommend this video to as much and as many people as you can, so that they also can learn how to trade the market the most realistic way. And I think on my last video I didn't talk about BTC. I would really like to talk about BTC right now. So let's go and see what BTC is doing at the moment. So initially BTC, I call BTC a sell. I call BTC a sell. I mean, initially BTC was kind of here. Yeah, kind of. So I call BTC a sell all the way to this level. Then maybe pullback or continuation to the downside. But BTC came here for some sort of reasons. BTC came into this level and reversed back all the way to the upside. Now, ideally, this is an M pattern. 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 And for us to validate that this market was going to sell completely was if this market did something like this, and which is why it's always good for you to hope in after this has happened like this. Then you want to be entering the market in these levels. This is where you want to be entering the market, this level or this level. These are the levels you want to be entering the market, so that you shouldn't get stuck with something like this. As you can just see now, then it will not look as though it is a manipulation. This market has just reversed all the way to the upside, which is actually a manipulation, because newbie traders must have sold the market at this level here, expecting it to sell all the way here, but the market reversed all the way back to the upside. So basically, this is what we're supposed to wait for before the continuation to the downside. But it did not give us sell momentum at the neckline of this M pattern, which is this bar here, this sky blue bar at the neckline. It didn't give us sell. If that, it gave us maybe a bearish engulfing candlestick. Let's see, after it pulled back like this nicely right here, sorry, let's say it pulled back all the way right, this pullback happen like this level, then maybe something like this doji candle follow, and then a bearish engulfing candle, thank you. Now that's when you should be shorting the market all the way to this level right here. Nothing would have stopped it, but the opposite happened. So at this junction, At this junction, BTC is still struggling to break out of an all-time high. It's still struggling and trying to break out of the all-time high. So if it takes this high, huh, I think the move is going to be very much crazy, very crazy. Yes, if it takes out the high, the move is going to be very crazy. Yes, so as you all can see, this is from 2015, and this is how BTC was moving all the way to this level. And as we all know, the BTC is on an uptrend. Anything that has been happening in the BTC were all retracement. BTC was is still on an uptrend up till now. Right here, as you can see, this is the trend line. So BTC is still on an uptrend. BTC is still on an uptrend right here. It's still on an uptrend, still very much bullish. Yes, BTC is still very much bullish. The fact that we haven't taken out this trend line um, states to us that BTC is very bullish. So the only time I can call BTC bullish, because right now BTC is in a killer zone. I call this killer zone because this is a 50-50 level right here. This is a 50-50 level. If BTC does something like this, breaks out, then pull back, continue, fine. Of which that's what is most likely to happen because of this double weekly, these 2 weeks here that bought this signifies strength, buy strength actually. So we don't know what this week holds, but let us see what this week will hold. And if this week gives nice buy opportunities to the upside, fine. But if this week closes with a doji, maybe a red doji candle right here, or let's say a doji candle right here, and then maybe we should be expecting a sale to continue. So it is what it is. It's a game of probabilities. So anything, expect everything and anything to happen in the market. Now that's all about BTC. Let me go to gold. Gold. This video is becoming very long. Very long. But I just have to touch all these pairs so that you guys can have what to trade. You can choose from anyone you want to trade. Gold. Yes. Gold. So last week on gold, due to a shooting star candle right here, I personally expected, due to this shooting star candle, I personally expected gold to short all the way to this level and also this level right here. So this week is already opening with liquidity grab. This I call this liquidity grab because obviously there is no wick right here. So there's a high chance because the market cannot just open and begin to go like that. No. There's a high chance that this market is still going towards sell. This is what happening here right now. This new week is just liquidity grab. The market will still sell all the way to this level right here. So take note of that. Gold will still sell all the way to this level right here. And if it takes out this on the low of this range, because this is a range, a crazy one at that. This is a crazy range. This is a range. This is a range. This is a range. So if we take out the range, if we take out this range, fine. But if we don't take out the range, then it is what it is. Excuse me. So for gold, nothing much. We are bullish, yes, but I still want to see this market. I still want to see this market pull like this. I'll really enjoy it if this can happen on this market. Then a continuation to the upside. So if you want to trade gold, please kindly take note of the sales. Don't just say okay because the market is bullish, then you just buy. No, take note that for every push, there's supposed to be a what a retracement. A retracement. It is a normal it's a normal phenomenon. Look at this. Look at what happened here. Pulled up all the way right here. It retraced. This is half of this move here. This is half of this move. It pulled all the way up right here. It retraced. So what do you think is going to make you pull all the way here that is not going to make you retrace? at least even if it's not going to retrace all the way, it should retrace all the way to this level, kind of, before continuation. So this is what we should be expecting. Is what the market is supposed to give us for us to say, okay, this is what a healthy trend. So thank you guys for staying tuned. If you have stayed to this time, I really really do appreciate, and do well to ask questions in the comment section of anything you don't understand and want some explanation, so that I can attach it to the next episode of this video. So have a people week, guys. I still remain your humble host, BFX, and I wish everybody a successful and prosperous week ahead. Peace out to everybody. Where is this stuff? Yeah, you, bro.